Hello everyone, this is Anko and welcome to everyone to our Arduino based projects. Now in this short video, I'll be showing you how to create a smart security system. So whenever there is someone, this sensor will detect and create sound. So when somebody walks in front of the sensor, it will create a sound, beep sound. Or we can also glow light and then we can sense the object or someone in front of the sensor. So this is a smart security system. It creates sound and it will also glow light. Okay. So how to make this smart security system? Okay, now let us see how to prepare this smart security system. The things required: we need a UNO board, we need breadboard, we need ultrasonic sensor, we need LED bulb and a smart buzzer to create sound. Now first thing what we have to do, keep this breadboard in front of you. There are 4 pins in this ultrasonic sensor: the BCC, trigger pin, echo pin and GND pin. Connect it here in this breadboard on the top of the row. Then at the back you can connect 4 cables. Okay, BCC, then we have trigger pin is an output pin. Then we have echo pin will receive the signal, echo pin. And then third one is the ground pin, the negative power. Now in the UNO board, let us supply power to BCC. BCC is a positive power. Here from the power we can connect it to 5B. Then for the GND you can connect it to GND here. Then for trigger pin, as per the program here, okay, smart security system, we have to connect it to digital pin. Now here you will see the trigger pin is connected to 6. Okay, we can connect it to 6 in the digital pin. Then we have the echo pin is connected to 5, digital pin 5. Now let us connect it to this LED. There are 2 pins, one pin is shorter and another pin is longer. So let me remember, left hand side I am keeping the shorter pin. So I am connecting this to breadboard. I need 2 cables. Okay, 2 cables to connect. Negative is a GND, negative power. So I can connect directly at the back of this ultrasonic sensor. There is a GND pin. So at the back of GND pin I have connected and given the negative power. Then now the other longer pin, I can connect one cable here, and then as per my programming here, the LED pin is connected to 13 digital pin. So you can connect it anywhere as per your programming, you can change. So I have connected here the LED. Then I am left with a buzzer which will create sound. So buzzer pin, it needs female, male 2 jumper wire, this cable. So I can connect this with the female port, and then I can connect it here. Buzzer pin is connected to pin, digital pin 2. So I can connect the digital pin 2 here, and other side I can connect it to GND. So I can connect here in the GND power. So there is one more slot left here in GND. So I am connecting this to GND. Now I have given power to this. Now let me connect this cable to this and then connect it to. You can go to port, select the first board. Okay, UNO board, select the UNO board UNO, then go to second one port, You can go to port and then verify the program. Here, when you see this program, the trigger pin is connected to 6, echo pin to 5, buzzer pin to 2, and the LED to 13. This is very, very important. And trigger pin is output, echo pin is input, buzzer is which produce sound, it is output, and lead with glows is output. Then below you will see this program. Let us check, let us push this program inside our UNO board. Okay. Now, if some objects come in front of the sensor, it will glow light and create sound. Yes. So this is how it works. This is a smart security system. It's working perfectly. When someone comes in front, so it creates sound and it glows light. I think this is a very, very smart security system. So hope this type of security system will really protect our asset and our building offices. Thank you. Hope this short video tutorial will really help you to create this type of smart security system. Thank you. Let us work together.